Hi, and welcome to episode 7 of Uncle Dan's Summer Games. I'm Buns of Steel, and this is not my kitchen. So this is going to be something a little bit different. So you ever watch that show, Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives? You know, Triple D, take you down to Flavortown, Guy Fieri. This is something I'm going to call the 6 T's. This is twice as good as Triple D's. This is the Throwback to Taco Tuesday Tater Tot Casserole. Okay. So we did a Taco Tuesday on Tuesday. I used, a lot of this is actually leftovers, but it's good stuff. This is about half a pound of beef and a half a pound of Italian sausage mixed on in, got a little bit of taco seasoning in it. I also took some sun-dried tomatoes, chopped them up. So we're gonna make a typical tater tot casserole with a Uncle Dan's kick to it. This is 1 pound of meat. You'll want to go ahead and just go ahead and spread it on in. And before you put the meat in, I actually did do this beforehand, take some of your cooking spray or bacon grease if you have some. Go ahead and drop it at the bottom of a, this is about what, a 9-inch pan or so. I also have some leftover Spanish rice. Toss that in there, as well. This is going to be something that is just full of flavor with a little bit of a Taco Tuesday twist to it. One thing that you must have in here is bacon. We'll get to that just shortly. You'll take yourself, this is about 16 ounces of tater tots. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch. Put about a nice spoonful worth in there, about so much. Mix it around, and it's even better if the tater tots are frozen. This will give even more ranch goodness to this entire dish. Spread your tater tots on all around. They're nice and delicious. Oh, and I'm sure people are thinking right now, you didn't wash your hands. I actually did wash my hands, so yes, you're welcome on that. Can't call me out on that one there, Mr. COVID. After you get that laid in, you're gonna take yourself, it's about a 10.5-ounce can. You can use cream of mushroom soup. I use cream of chicken soup, low sodium, even better. You take, pour that into a container, fill it up about two-thirds cup of milk, and I also put some Uncle Dan's Original Southern Ranch in that. Mix that on up to a whole bunch of deliciousness. You're going to want to do a decent spreading of this. Doesn't that just look good? Oh, cannot wait to tear absolutely into this. You will also, if you want, it's totally up to you. I did it because, well, I love bacon and I'm an American citizen. This is about 4 or 5 strips of bacon, really crispified bacon, and take yourself about 10 ounces of cheese. You can never have too much cheese with tater tot casserole. This is something that everybody will love, and you get to find a home for all this extra leftover taco meat you have. Yeah, the more the merrier. Toss it in your oven. This is going to go for about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees, low and slow. Boosh! And then, with the miracle of modern technology, we have ourselves a Throwback to Taco Tuesday Tater Tot Casserole with Uncle Dan's 2 versions of Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. You will see the cream of chicken soup and the Uncle Dan's deliciousness and some nice crispified tater tots. That is Flavortown right there. Try this out. Tater tot casserole. Put your leftovers to work. All thanks to Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings.